Hi folks, I wanted you to meet Allan Grant here. Allan Grant leads the plumbing operation here at Great Alpine and Rio Caravans. So Allan, say hello mate.
Hi everyone.
Yeah. So Allan, tell us a little bit about your involvement with Great Alpine and Rio. How long have you been working together?
Great Alpine and Rio, we've started here. Well, Miller was in a smaller factory over in Campbellfield. He's now progressed on to being a bigger player, but in a smaller way, with the Caravans, with Great Alpine. Now we come here, we're here full time. We certify all the Caravans with their gas work. We do all the water and tanks for the Caravans for a Miller. Now a Miller started off quite a small operation. Nowadays he's growing to be a substantial player in the industry. And Miller's employed us to do his Caravans, and we're quite happy to go with them, and they're a good standard.
That's good.
Yeah.
So Allan, tell us, I mean, it's comforting to know that when I buy a new Caravan that the plumbing was done by a plumber.
Yeah.
And it's not going to leak, and more importantly, it's going to be safe. You know, you have gas here. It's quite a, you know, it can be quite a dangerous thing if not done correctly. So what's the importance of the certification that you provide Great Alpine and Rio?
We work on a standard which is called 5601, which is a plumbing code. It's a national plumbing code for Australia. Now, we've got to adhere to those regulations as far as the gas work goes. The water side of it is just a watermark certificate, which is for the standard of taps that go in. It's a quality thing, that's exactly what it is. But the gas side of it is a national code that we've all got to adhere to. So hypothetically, we can have situations where people might want to put jerry can holders next to the bottles. Well, we oversee that because we can say your bottles are your furthest point in the Caravan. There cannot be anything in front of these bottles or beside them because there is a cone that goes over it. But that all goes back to the regulations, and that's why we certify the Caravans.
That's good.
Yeah.
Well, it's good to know that Great Alpine and Rio use the best plumber in the industry, so
well,
thank you.
Well, we like to think that there's other people out there, but no, I've been doing a long time, and we're a good company, and we stand by our warranty is second to none. We handle it very well. I think I've got 3 people at the office that do the warranties, and if there is any warranty issues, we try and handle them as quick and easy as possible.
Great. Good on you, Allan, and thank you very much.
No worries.
Okay.
Thank you.